You think you're about to eat cookies. You open it up and see blank.
He's about to eat some cookies.
Your grandmother had that before? Oh, okay.
I feel like I ate these cookies.
Right, but what's usually in it?
Mints.
It could be. Have you ever opened it and there was cookies in there?
It would be something else. I can't think of it.
Oh, okay, got you.
Go ahead, take a try.
What we doing?
You think you're about to eat some cookies, you open up and see what.
This right here?
Yeah.
Motherfucking screws for my granddaddy. Little damn screws and little nuts and bolts all rusted out.
Hey, that's a something. Yeah, go ahead.
My mama just got her razor blades in there, man.
And mints and gum and shit.
Oh, that too. But it damn sure ain't never no cookies in there.
Right, yeah.
That's for sure.